In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unstar or remove a star from an email in Gmail. Email organization is essential for maintaining a streamlined inbox, and starring emails is a handy feature that many of us use to highlight important messages or ones we need to revisit later. However, sometimes you might want to declutter your starred emails by removing stars from messages that no longer need your immediate attention. Thankfully, Gmail makes this process easy and intuitive. First, open your web browser and go to the Gmail website. If you're not already signed in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in your inbox, navigate to the left sidebar and look for the Starred section. It's typically located below the Inbox tab. Clicking on it will display all your starred emails, making it easier to see which ones you might want to unstar. Now that you have your starred emails in view, scroll through the list and identify the emails you want to unstar. If your inbox is heavily starred, take a moment to carefully decide which ones you no longer need highlighted, as this will help tidy up your digital workspace. Once you've identified an email you'd like to unstar, hover your mouse over it. You'll notice a star icon to the left of the email's subject line. This star will usually be color-filled, indicating that the email is currently starred. To unstar the email, simply click on the star icon. You'll see it change from a filled color to an outline, signifying that the message is no longer starred. This action instantly removes the email from your list of starred messages, decluttering your prioritized view in Gmail. If you have multiple emails you want to unstar, you can repeat this process for each one. Remember, the key is to only keep those starred which require focused attention or future action. If you ever want to use a shortcut to speed up this process, Gmail offers quick actions that you can enable. Go to the settings gear icon in the top right corner of your Gmail screen. Click on it and select See All Settings. Once there, navigate to the General tab. Scroll down until you find the Stars section. Here, you can customize which star colors and symbols you want to use for different emails, and learn shortcut keys for starring and unstarring. When you keep your starred emails organized, you enhance your efficiency and reduce the chance of important correspondence slipping through the cracks. By regularly reviewing and updating the emails marked as important, you'll maintain a clean and focused email environment. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to keep your Gmail account tidy by managing your starred messages. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful tips.